how to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get a backup code for two-step verification. So the thing is, what you have to do is log in into your account first of all, and when you're logged in, go to your account settings by tapping on the gear icon and then go to settings. Right on this page, you should be able to see your security tab. If you're unable to find it, so then you can also swipe towards your left and right, and then you could go to settings. So one on this page, go to the security section, and when you've actually selected the security section, then this is basically how it's going to look like. On this page, click on this page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select two-step verification, and if you've already enabled it, then you just have to go ahead and press on generate under the recovery code section. Now enter your account password as part of your setup procedure, and next you need to make sure to save the code in a safe place because you can only see them this one time. So with that, you'll be able to get a big backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.